have a Zurn flush valve that we're getting complaints when it's flushed. It makes a horrible sound in the wall. So let's flush it and take a look, or listen, I should say. And I'll show you guys how to fix that. When you remove the chrome, make sure you use the right tool. This is a hex jaw pipe wrench or flush valve wrench. So I'm sure some of you have seen where the chrome is really scarred up and it looks like someone put adjustable pliers on it. Okay, you could actually replace each and every part on here, but I just get the kit. To me, it's just a whole lot easier to drop the new kit in, put it back together. They also make different size. This one is a 1.6. They make a 3.5. They make a 1.5. And for the urinals, it's 0.5. So make sure you get the right one. Alright, if you guys stay to the end, I'll explain how this diaphragm works. Okay, if you guys see value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment if you'd like to. Okay, so here's one out of the box, the new one again. Like I said, the handle hits here, right, lifts up the plunger, and when it does, lets water in. Once it reaches a certain amount of water pressure, that lifts up the whole entire diaphragm. And as it does, the weep hole will fill right here. I'm not sure if you can see real well, but it has a weep hole, and I'll turn it over so you can see it on this side. So right there, and everything is exactly pressure and timing. Whoever made these are awesome.